Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your headphones automatically starts or pause the music. And I have two solutions for you. The first one, I recommended to restart audio player, so remove it from the application list and open it again. Also, I recommend to go to the Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application and update if you haven't. The second option is to perform a factory reset, and it's pretty easy at these headphones. So you need to find volume control buttons, what located at your right ear cup. Right here we have plus button and minus button. So you need to press and hold them simultaneously until the LED light near to the power button start blinking blue. So press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click Forget this device button or Forget device or Unpair or Remove button and Forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair new device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them as a device list and you need to tap on them. And we just reconnect them, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!